Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Deneatres, and you already seen that thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous silky beauty right here, and if you are interested in seeing just how easy she was to put on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So y'all already know I'm coming back at y'all with another 1 minute install, honey. Super easy to put on. This is truly a beginner friendly install. So I have already done the prep work. I have cut the lace. I have put wax just on the hairline and the parting space just to tame the flyaways. I have bumped it up a little bit, and I also laid the lace down with mousse so you can see the full effect of the lace, honey. So this unit is absolutely amazing. It did not take me no time to put this on, honey. Truly a beginner friendly and easy quick unit to put on. So without further ado, let me show you just how easy it is to put this unit on. Even on my worst days, still I alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your out. Bam, I'm ready to go. In less than a minute, you can look absolutely fabulous, chic, amazing, gorgeous, beautiful in less than no time. This is one great unit to have. It is so quick and easy to look absolutely fabulous. Okay, look at her. Just look at that silky, amazing texture. And do y'all see the hairline on this? Do y'all see it? Let's look at this. Oh, honey, you can't get no better than this. Wow, just look at that. So all I do is just put some powder on the hairline just to further melt it down, brush it out, and I'm ready to go. You gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alpha, baby. Yeah, alpha, baby. This is one amazing unit. So because this unit is so great, you know you can curl it, right? We can step it up a couple of notches and actually put some curls in it. So let's see how it looks curled up. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still So I have curled it up a little bit. I did a little bump here and there to give it a little curl, and she looks so cute. This like grown woman status right here, honey. She ain't coming to play. This unit is amazing. So you can curl this up, you can flat iron it, whatever you want to do with this unit. She is cute. I'm absolutely loving this. So she's absolutely adorable and she's great for any occasion. This is a great work wig, church wig, date night wig, summer wig, anytime wig, honey. She is amazing. Honey. And then on top of it, it's put on and go. Loving this. It's lightweight, it's flowy, it's so flirty, it is thick, but it's not heavy on the head. So loving this, absolutely loving this. Very, very cute, very, very personal. Highly, highly recommend. Oh yeah. So before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair comb brush combo. They also sent over a Luv Me Hair bonnet, a Luv Me Hair scarf wrap, wig caps, and a Luv Me Hair drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this gorgeous unit. This comes from Luv Me Hair's PreMax collection. It is the silky blunt cut glueless 5x5 closure lace shoulder length bob wig that is pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I am wearing this in the length 14 inches, but you do have the option to get it in other lengths as well, which is the 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14-inch lengths with the 2x6 lace area, or you can get the 14, which I am wearing now, and the 16 in the 5x5 lace area. If you are wondering what pre-everything means, that means pre-bleach, pre-plucked, and you do have the option to get it pre-cut as well. With this unit, you will have the option to switch it up with ease with the 1 minute or less install, minimum prep time, the free parting space, and it is beginner friendly as well. So let me tell you some more about this unit. I am wearing this in the color natural black, and the density on this unit is 150%. The parting can be done in numerous ways, such as the middle is what I am wearing, the left, the right, a C part, whatever your heart desire. The hairline is pre-plucked, honey. Like, you can't get no better than that. That is gorgeous. Okay, pre-cut and pre-bleach. With this unit, you can get the lace area in 2 options, such as 2x6 or the 5x5. The lace type with this unit is with the 5x5 you get regular lace, and with the 2x6 you get HD lace. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. This unit is adjustable. It comes with an attached adjustable band and adjustable straps to help give you that glueless effect. It also comes with 4 combs, 1 on each side, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back. This unit is 100% glueless, honey. And this unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. This unit was super easy to install, and I highly recommend this unit. This is a 10 out of 10, honey. She is amazing. She's lightweight, she's flowy. I'm not getting any tangles. She is an absolutely gorgeous unit. So if you want to switch it up, make sure you do it with a Luv Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you want to see what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video. And I'll see you over there.